Hello everyone and welcome back in a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to configure LDAP contacts in your Wi-Fi phone WP816, 826 or 836 by just from the phone. No need to configure any additional settings. So what you have to do is navigate to contact option, press the right navigation button, and if you see on the LDAP context option, there is an option of update. So click on this update. So it will download the configuration file from the PBX. So the phone should be in the same network. So it will automatically detect the PBX LDAP directory and it will be downloaded. So you can see here all the extension users are visible here. And if I show you PBX extensions, so you can see here these are the 5 extensions which are visible over here in the contact list. So this way you can configure LDAP contacts easily without configuring any additional settings or copy paste from the PBX to the Wi-Fi phone LDAP contact settings. Similarly, like this on application LDAP, and so you don't have to fill up these details. These will be filled up from the phone itself. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and share this video.